to sell baby and child products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, we have a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's choose one of these products just to check it and to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's choose this product, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page exactly like this one, how to set the price of your product, how to set the description of the product as well, how to set the options like the width, size, and how to enter the product's details, if it's handmade or not, the materials of the product, the gem color if it's a jewelry, and how to set the shipping and return policies as well. So let's just close this page and let's go back to the first page. Click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And here, in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. The first one is the shop preferences. Then comes name in your shop, then stock in your shop, then you choose how you'll get paid, then you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is name in your shop. And here I'm going to change the name and then remove the spaces between words and the special characters as well. And it looks like the name is already taken, so let's just add a number, or if you want you can choose one of these options, but for me I prefer to add a number to make the name unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. And here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now, you'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before we proceed to add in the photos and details about our item, let's first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here, as you can see, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need at least to upload 1 photo. Then we have the inventory, and here you will need to enter the price of the product. Then we have the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields. And the last one is the shipping. It's the same like the listing details. You will just need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos, and here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title of the product, something like this, for example. Then we answer these 3 questions. The first one is who made it, and you have three options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have three categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then for the category, just type your product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from, like the baby gift sets, booties and grape shoes, invitations. Let's go with the first one. Then you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. You can choose one in here. I'm going to choose gray. And for the secondary color, you can choose red. Then for the renewal options, if you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents, or you want to choose the manual, which is free. For me, I prefer the manual. Then for the type of the product, you have two options: a physical product or a digital product. For me, my product is a physical product. Then comes the description. So guys, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. You can add any if you have them. If not, just close this tab. Then for the section tags and materials, you can just skip them for now. They're all optional. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here we choose the price of our product. Let's give it this price, for example. And then let's move on to the shipping. So here, let's just show you an example of how to fill all of these red fields with the right information, obviously. So for the processing time, let's go with the 5 to 7 days. And you do the same with these other 2 or 4. Then for the returns and exchanges, you can apply the 30 days policy, or you can just choose another policy, or you can even create your own policy by choosing what you're going to accept and what you're going to refuse. And you can also choose the time frame that you want. And here you have from 7 days of delivery to 90 days of delivery. So let's choose 60 days, for example. Then click on save and apply. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.